Good morning. It's Wednesday, Davis Auto Sales. Just wanted to show you some of our new purchases. Just in 5 of these international bucket trucks. They were from a local utility company. Got them from them. Exceptionally clean. They've been serviced and inspected. Outriggers with the pads, all tired up. These have a 55-foot platform. Also has, the bucket has a 350-pound weight capacity. These trucks run out 100%. We also had one of them taken so far to have the boom certified. So if you have any questions, just give us a call, 804-271-0030, or check us out at davis4x4.com. Thanks for looking.